Welcome everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to our presentation. Today, we'll be focusing on the environment, specifically covering the period from the 24th to the 31st of March. In this session, we'll explore key developments and insights related to environmental issues during this time. We'll look at recent trends, challenges, and opportunities for positive change. So, let's dive in and see what this period has revealed about our environment. Today, on World Water Day, March 22nd, we focus on the 2026 theme, Water and Gender. It's a powerful reminder of how water access is not just about resources, but also about equality and empowerment. Did you know that 2.1 billion people still lack access to safely managed sanitation services? That's a staggering number, highlighting the ongoing global challenge. Women and girls are primarily responsible for collecting water in many communities. This task takes over 250 million hours every day, which often limits their opportunities for education and income. It's a clear example of how water issues are deeply connected to gender inequality. Switching gears, I want to introduce a significant new initiative, the Global Initiative on the Taking of Migratory Species, or GTI. This was launched at COP15, the conference of the parties to the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals, held earlier this year in March in Campo Grande, Brazil. The GTI is a collaborative, global effort involving governments, conservation organizations, local communities, and other stakeholders. Its main goal is to address the drivers behind illegal and unsustainable taking of migratory species. These species are vital to ecosystems, and their protection requires coordinated action across borders. The initiative is supported by major partners like the Convention on Biological Diversity, UNEP, WWF, UNEP-WCMC, and Traffic. These organizations bring expertise and resources to tackle these complex issues. Connecting this back to our overall theme, both water access and wildlife conservation highlight the importance of sustainable, inclusive, and collaborative approaches to protect our planet and ensure equity for all. Today, I want to talk about the Amrabad Tiger Reserve, or ATR for short. The Telangana government has recently initiated a significant project to rehabilitate 417 tribal families living within this reserve. This move aims to balance conservation efforts with community welfare, which is a crucial aspect of sustainable environmental management. The ATR itself was carved out of the larger Nagarjunasagar Srisalam Tiger Reserve back in 2014, making it a relatively recent addition to Telangana's protected areas. It is located in the Nalamala Hills, part of the Eastern Ghats chain, an important geographical feature that adds to the region's ecological diversity. When we look at the wildlife here, the reserve hosts some fascinating fauna. You'll find animals like the Nilgiri, the jackal, and the Chausingha, which is a four-horned antelope unique to this region. The forest type is classified as tropical dry deciduous, meaning it experiences seasonal dry periods but still supports a rich variety of plant and animal life. Understanding these key points helps us appreciate the complexity of managing such a diverse ecosystem, while also supporting the local communities. The ATR's landscape and its inhabitants are vital to India's overall conservation goals, especially in maintaining biodiversity and protecting endangered species. The red-crowned roof turtle, also known as Badheger kachuga, is a fascinating species, but unfortunately, it's facing serious threats. Intensive hunting of both adults and their eggs has caused a sharp decline in their population and has severely impacted their habitat. Historically, these turtles were found in large river systems across India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. However, today, their range has shrunk mainly to the Ganga River basin. This species is classified as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List, highlighting just how urgent the conservation efforts are. Additionally, under India's Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, they are listed in Schedule 1, which provides the highest level of legal protection. This emphasizes the importance of safeguarding these turtles, not just for their survival, but also as part of our broader efforts to protect biodiversity. Connecting this to our overall theme, it's a stark reminder of how human activities, like hunting and habitat destruction, can push species to the brink. It underscores the need for effective conservation measures to ensure that future generations can also appreciate the beauty and ecological importance of species like the red-crowned roofed turtle.